Harrah's Casino New Orleans is becoming a Caesars Casino New Orleans. Welcome everyone. On this Vegas NOLA Man, we take a look at what's new inside Harrah's aka Caesars Casino New Orleans. This newly redesigned casino floor features over 100 table games and 1,100 slot and gaming machines. There is also a World Series of poker room, and a Caesars Sportsbook and Sportsbook bar. This full-service sportsbook has 4 betting windows and 12 self-service betting kiosks. And there is an outdoor temperature-controlled gaming area so you can play and smoke 'em if you've got 'em. And no casino would be complete without a gift shop. With the rebranding of the casino, there are new food options available, including Emerald's Brasserie. Here you can enjoy Emerald Lagasse's signature Creole flavor in a French brasserie-style dining room. There is also Emerald's Petite Brasserie, a grab-and-go counter offering coffees and pastries. And they still have the Steakhouse New Orleans, offering steakhouse classics infused with local flavors and regional ingredients. And up next is the new food hall, not a food court, a food hall. Up first from the James Beard award-winning chef Nina Compton is Nina's Creole Cottage, offering flavor combinations that traverse St. Lucia with Louisiana Creole flavors. There is also Pizza Cake by the cake boss, Buddy Velastro. I'm not really sure what the connection is between pizza and cake, but here you can pick up a fresh slice of delicious cake or New York style pizza. And finally, here's Bobby's Burgers. Acclaimed chef Bobby Flay brings you his twist on the American classic hamburger, fries, and shake combo. At the time of this recording, there was still some construction going on the rebranding of the property. And there is an underground walkway that connects the casino to the hotel. In the hotel lobby, there is a Ruth Chris Steakhouse. This is also a convenient way to get to the parking garage. Here's where you'll find the elevators to the parking garage. There is also a 501 coffee stand featuring that delicious Lavazza coffee. Exit here to get to the hotel lobby and Ruth's Chris Steakhouse. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support this content, hit that super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Get more New Orleans content and tap one of these boxes up here. Tap the center icon to subscribe and you'll receive notifications on future videos.